How to check blocked accounts on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check blocked accounts on Pinterest. Whether you want to review who you have blocked or maybe unblock someone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, on the new page, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled as social permissions. And here, under the social permissions, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as blocked accounts. And here, as you can see, I haven't blocked anyone on the Pinterest right now, but if you have blocked someone, you'll see the list of them right here. And that's it. That's how you can check blocked accounts on Pinterest. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.